How to find Instagram friend suggestions quickly on Instagram. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and update Instagram to the latest version. Once updated, open Instagram. There are two ways to view suggested friends. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right. If you have a newer account, you might see friend suggestions directly here. If not, tap on Following below your bio. You will find Suggested for You, scroll down past your following list, and you'll see a blue See All Suggestion button. Tap it to access Instagram suggested accounts and friend recommendations. You can find all suggested friends from here. The second method is even simpler. Tap the search icon at the bottom. Search for any account you already follow. Instagram will automatically show you suggested friends and similar accounts related to that person based on mutual connections. Both methods help you discover new Instagram accounts and find people you may know. Try both to see which works best for finding relevant friend suggestions on Instagram. That's how you view suggested friends on Instagram. Thanks for watching.